Hello guys and welcome again. As you can see, more packages, but this one is very special. I guess you know this from the title, but if you don't know, here is a hint. Yeah. I guess most of you know what is this already. So I got here with me more knife. I guess I ripped right through something. Nah, nothing. I didn't rip into anything. Let's see, what is this? It's a bead. A lot of them. Actually, I ordered every single one of this kind of beads. As you can see, let's see what it is. I'm gonna show you the quality of these beads, each one different. This is foam humidity plated with acid. Whatever. You can see the quality of these beads. It's incredible. Come on, man. Just keep going out of focus. Too much shiny for the camera to pick it up. Let's see another one. I guess this is the bronze one. What's wrong with this camera? Oh my god. I don't know why in the hell this camera does not want to focus today. Wait a minute. Is this turn off? So it's not ready. Let's see. think now it's gonna focus a little bit better. Come on, man. I guess guys, I'm gonna cut this video right now because my camera is not gonna focus. I cannot really show you the real quality of these beads, but believe me, they are really, from holding them, from seeing the really the quality. Let me see the other ones. This is the black oxidized one, and we have here a gold one, 18K, as you can see, gold. I have here and the black one. This is the black oxidized. So what is this one? What is this? This is the limited edition one. It's a bronze old something, and I cannot remember. Let me see. Sold, oiled, ruble, bronze, old, race. Whatever it was that. I'm gonna put their links in the description, the link in the description for lazy people. But if you want to just see the website, this is the website. This is focused really fast. Let me see. I'll focus on this. Okay guys, see you later. Peace.